I'm ready to go. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Ignite.
So I'm Chris Hammond. I've had this mustache for, like 4 months now. Most of you people don't recognize me with a mustache. I understand that. I'm here to talk to you about Movember. Movember is the month formerly known as November Improved. The point of Movember is to raise awareness for cancers that affect men, specifically prostate cancer, and to help raise money and information for the Prostate Cancer Foundation. In 2012, 242,000 men will be diagnosed with prostate cancer. 28,000 will die. 1 in 6 men will ultimately be affected by prostate cancer. Last year, for Movember, there were 854,000 participants, $3.2 million donations, $126 million raised, 15 million here in the United States. DNNWorld has participated in Movember the past 2 years. Last year was an off year. We raised about $1,000 with 16 members. The first year we raised almost $5,400, and I shaved my head at the end of the month. Movember is about the mustache. How do you spell mustache? Well, in the U.S., you oftentimes spell it with just a U. Outside of the U.S., it's with an O. If you have a mustache, it's a Mo. If you're a man, you're a Mo bro. If you're a woman who supports Movember, you're a Mo sister. There are specific rules about Movember. You start on November 1st clean shaven. You grow your mustache for 30 days. If your mustache touches your sideburns, it's a beard. If your mustache touches your chin, it's a goatee. You must act like a gentleman. There are a lot of different types of mustaches. I can grow 1, maybe 2. The trucker I had earlier this week, I trimmed it a little bit. It really depends on your facial hair, but I encourage you to try the different types. If you can really get a good growth in there, try the wax tip connoisseur there on the end. Some quick facts about Movember. The King of Hearts is the only card that doesn't have a mustache. A mustache that is 1 month old can hold 10% of a drink of beer before it starts to spill on your mouth. I do not know who DNNWorld is, but he has a mustache. If you're in the room, please show me your mustache, DNNWorld. To get involved in Movember, you need to go to Movember.com and create your Mo space. Get out, talk to your friends about Movember. We encourage you to join or create a team for Movember. This is a team of bicyclists that participated in an event with Livestrong. They're obviously wearing Movember kits. They all have mustaches. If you want to join the .NET team, you can go to that URL, DNNMO 2012. And Movember, the point of it is to get out and talk about mustaches, talk about men's health, get people thinking about it, and also to raise money. So talk to your family, talk to your friends. The DNN community is great for donations, but please don't go to them. I'm going to use them for donations this year. To raise money, I encourage you to set a goal. Start small. Set a goal of $100. If you can raise $100 in the month of November, that's great. If you hit your goal, increase it. Go higher. Try to increase that up. Movember is an organization that started in Australia. They provide a lot of different information about the cause. They will provide you free stuff. They will send you mustache wristbands. I don't have one. They'll send you buttons. They'll send you party kits. You can get sashes. I encourage you to register on Movember.com for some of that information. Some tips real quick about mustaches. Always shave your face after you've taken a hot shower or after a hot towel. Lather up, use shaving cream, shave with the grain, moisturize. So one of the common problems about Movember is the significant other. Be it male or female, they oftentimes, you might think they will not enjoy the mustache. Women and men love mustaches. Trust me, do it. So when you have your mustache going, there are a few tips that I'll provide you. I've had it for a few months. Keep it trimmed. If you don't, it will annoy you. You'll have to start using chapstick. You'll get chapped. Keep a fine-tooth comb. Keep it combed. Keep it cleaned up. If it doesn't grow in, paint it on. That's fine. 30 days of Movember. I've got a calendar here. You should register. You can download the Movember app. There's an iPhone app. There's an Android app. You can take a picture once every 1 day for 30 days. It'll put a video together for you. Some additional things about Movember. Encourage your friends to go out and have their annual health check. Annual health check is going to have your blood pressure checked, your cholesterol checked, depending on your age. Might have an EKG. You might get have a skin cancer check and testicular cancer check as well. So we're coming up here on the end. This is the Shave the Date tag. That's what they're calling November or Movember 1st this year, the hashtag. So get ready for the 1st. Prepare your significant other now. Don't wait until the 1st to try to prepare them for that. And finally, why am I doing Movember? for my daughter. My dad was diagnosed with prostate cancer August of 2011. He's gone through treatment, and I want him to be around as long as he can for her, and I want to be around as long as I can for her as well. So, thank you.